Breath of Eternity, a mitochondrian's confession. I remember the moment the world changed forever, 1.5 billion years ago. When Earth was young and restless, I was a free aproteobacterium, floating in the primordial ocean. My name then sounded like a song of biochemical reactions. I was the mistress of respiration, the sovereign of oxygen. Why should I surrender? I screamed into the depths when an enormous archaeal cell swallowed me. It seemed the end, but the archaea, wise and patient, whispered, "Do not surrender, little one. Together, we can become something greater than each of us alone." Thus began our epic story of symbiosis. I brought oxygen respiration, the power to extract 30 times more energy from one molecule of glucose than primitive fermentation. The archaea gave me shelter, food, protection, a home. We forged a union that would change the face of the earth. The early days were hard. My membranes trembled with fear. My ribosomes shook with uncertainty. What if this is a trap? I thought. But the archaea shared her resources patiently, and I sensed this was not captivity. It was destiny. I kept my DNA, my independence, my bacterial pride, but slowly we became one entity. The cell grew, evolved, and I understood. We were creating something unseen before. The eukaryotic cell, the foundation of all future complex life. Millennia passed. I transformed from a simple bacterium into a complex organelle, the master of cellular power. My cristae, the folded membranes within me, rose like Gothic cathedrals where the sacred act of turning food into life unfolded. I accepted pyruvate and fatty acids like a sculptor accepts clay. In the Krebs cycle, I disassembled them, extracting electrons, precious currency of energy. Step by step, I pumped protons across my inner walls, building a grand gradient, my own hydroelectric plant. Each cycle could yield up to 36 molecules of ATP from one molecule of glucose, 30 times more efficient than glycolysis. This energy leap opened the path to multicellular life. Oxygen, the two-faced god, giver of life and bringer of death. I learned to dance with him, dangerous yet divine. Reactive oxygen species, superoxide, hydrogen peroxide, hydroxyl radicals, threatened us constantly. I evolved an army of defenses: superoxide dismutase, catalase, glutathione peroxidase, each protecting the sacred harmony inside. Yet the battle was eternal. Oxidation aged me. Mutations scarred my DNA. Is this the price of energy? I wondered. I understood. Aging was not a flaw. It was the cost of living in an oxygen world. When viruses invaded, I turned my energy into weapons. I flooded the